A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear sisters, sometimes I wonder how many things does a woman do in one single day that nobody even notices. She wakes up early in the morning before everyone else. She prepares, she serves, she teaches, she worries. She remembers everyone's needs. She carries the responsibility that nobody ever sees. She gives her time, she gives her energy. Sometimes she even gives up her sleep. And at the end of the day, she may quietly go to bed wondering, did really anyone notice what I did throughout the day? My sisters, Allah noticed every unseen effort, every meal that you prepared, every child that you taught, every elderly person that you cared for, every tear wiped away, every difficult moment endured with patience and sabr, every time you controlled your anger, every time you remained silent for the sake of peace, every time you helped someone without telling anybody. Allah saw it all. And perhaps this is why we need one beautiful intention in our lives. Qurbatan ilallah. MashaAllah. Ya Allah, I am doing this to come closer to you. When no one appreciates you, Qurbatan ilallah. When nobody understands how tired you are, Qurbatan ilallah. When your effort is taken for granted, Qurbatan ilallah. When you serve your family, when you teach your children, when you sit beside someone who needs you, all the time, the intention is Qurbatan ilallah. When you choose patience instead of anger, when you quietly sacrifice something you wanted to do. My sisters, this is one intention that can change the way we look at our entire life. Sometimes we become so tired, not only because of what we are doing, because we are waiting for people to recognize what we are doing. We want someone to say, thank you, I appreciate you, you did so much for me. But when those words don't come out, our hearts become very heavy. Lack of appreciation. But what can change my life? Instead of asking, why doesn't anybody appreciate me? Let us say, did Allah accept it? Instead of, why doesn't anyone see my sacrifice? Let us say, Allah saw it. Instead of anybody saying, does anybody understand me? Remind yourself, Allah understands me completely. And then suddenly the heart becomes lighter because we never created to live for people to applaud us. We shouldn't. We are created to live for Allah. My sisters, there may be things we have done for years and nobody has appreciated. We have sacrificed that you never mentioned. We have a pain in the heart that you have never shared and explained to anyone. A prayer that you made for somebody who really doesn't even know that you prayed for them. A tear that fell when nobody was watching. A forgiveness that you made that was very difficult. A kindness that was never returned. Don't think it is wasted. Nothing is wasted. Allah is never wasted. Perhaps the world will forget, but Allah does not forget. Perhaps people will move on, but Allah knows every moment of your struggle. Perhaps nobody knows how many times you picked yourself up and you have continued your journey. Allah knows. So when you wake up in the morning, don't begin your day thinking, why does everyone need me all the time? Begin, Ya Allah, what can I do today that will bring me closer to you? Then get up. Prepare that breakfast. Say, Bismillah, Qurbatan ilallah. Teach your children to say, Bismillah, Qurbatan ilallah. Take care of your house and then begin it. Oh Lord, it is people who need me and I do everything that you may remain razi with me. MashaAllah. Don't say I didn't do enough. Instead whisper, Ya Allah, you know I'm tired. You know what I carried. You know that nobody else knows. Whatever I did today, I offer all my deeds to you. Please accept it from me. You know Allah saw it all. It was never insignificant. If Allah knows it, it is never forgotten. If Allah was the reason, it was never wasted. So my dear sisters, let every morning begin with Bismillah, Qurbatan ilallah. Let every sacrifice carry this niyat upon you. Let every kind kindness, every act of kindness, carry this niyat, Bismillah qurbatan ilallah. Ya Allah, I don't need the world to know what I have done. I only need to know that you know, and I only want your acceptance. May Allah accept the hidden efforts of every woman who sacrifices all the unseen deeds for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May He return our exhaustion into reward, our patience into strength, our tears into mercy, and our ordinary daily actions into a means of reaching Him. Ya Allah, make every breath of our life qurbatan ilallah. Jazakallahu khairan, sisters.